You might think, what is that? This one is for your neck here. So this is my routine. And then I'm gonna put this wrinkle neck mask. How long? Honestly, I have no idea, so it's up to you. Hi everyone, welcome back to Naya. Now I want to share about how to care about my lifting of the skin. Lifting of the skin, is the right expression? I'm sure you understood what I want to say, right? So I was born in 1985, so I'm turning to 40 in this year in November. Yeah, 40 already. Asian benefit or my mom's benefit, whatever it is. Fortunately, I don't look super old as my friends are saying. Honestly, I care about my skin pretty much recently a lot. Because when I was young, I didn't really care because I have a chubby face. So I only cared about how to reduce the size of my chins. But now I'm getting old, so I'm really taking care of the pore or lifting of my face. I kind of scared to take the plastic surgery or like really lifting surgery. But we have KBeauty World. We have tons of product to take care of your lifting condition of your skin. Those ones are the things I found for my lift. I just want to find out if it's the right expression. Just 1 second. Elasticity. Elasticity. That's what I wanted to say. You know what? My major is English literature. This product are the skincare product for improving skin elasticity. So I really care about my pore condition and then elasticity of my skin, especially for the face and neck. When I was really young, I had a skin trouble, the atopy, so naturally has some wrinkles on my neck when I was like teenager or early of 20s even. But I'm getting old, so I need to take care of my neck skin as well. So this one is for the face, this one is for the neck. Coincidentally, honestly, I didn't know those are the same brand when I purchased it on the website. So Medi has a lot of product for the elasticity. Honestly, this one is my favorite. It's like 8.5 out of 10. And this one is like 6 or 7 because I don't really see the effect instant right after using this one. I have to use like really spontaneously, but I'm lazy to use it every day or. But I use this one more often, so I will show you how to use it. This one is a little light. It's like a net sheet, and this one is collagen gel mask sheet. So those are different fabric, those are different material. If I use this one, I don't think I'm gonna speak louder or this much clear. So I wanted to explain a little bit before using this one. You might think, what is that? It has 3 parts for your face. So the first thing is this one is for your neck here. It lifts up your neck skin from here like this. And the second part is this one. So here and here is gonna be inside of here of the scalp. So it's like this. It's especially for, I guess, for my mom's age, like 60s, when we are really getting older. Like our forehead skin is a little getting lower like this. So eyes are like this. So this one is lifting your forehead skin up. It helps to open your eyes. This gel mask contains a high amount of caffeine, which helps boost the circulation and temporarily reduce the facial puffiness. So I used to use this one first. Remove the white part, and this one is very smooth part. And the other part with the clear film, it has a little texture here with this net. It said you can put this one on your dry skin after washing off. For my just a personal experience, it was better to put this gel mask after using the serum, at least the skin toner, because if it's too dry your face, it doesn't really stick. It actually doesn't have any stickers inside. This hydrogel magically stick your face and it really lifts your skin up. Okay, this is for the face. And when you do this one, you have to leave it at least 30 minutes. But for myself, honestly, I leave it like an hour. 30 minutes will be fine. So you have a 30 minutes, but only part you cannot take care of your skin on your face is the nose part. So I use a Collagen Fit. So it also take care of your elasticity. What was that like? Elasticity. 웃으면 안 돼. So this is my routine. And then I'm gonna put this wrinkle neck mask. Has a denotion to take care of your skin. So it looks like it really nuts. Yeah, like this. It looks like this. So you can put the neck mask on your neck. But they sell this roller together with the Wrinkle Fit neck mask. So you can roll this roller to absorbing nutrition into your skin better. So it helps to lift your skin up. How long? Honestly, I have no idea. So it's up to you. If you are good at this, you can just roll it like for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. But I'm pretty lazy, so I just use this one like 1 or 2 minutes at the beginning. It's not hurt. It looks kind of scared, but it's not sharp, it's not itchy, or it's not poking your skin. It doesn't have any negative feeling. This lifting care is not gonna be miracle, so I cannot show the result right after using this one, but I've used this one like 3 or 4 months, and this one like even more than that, like 4 months. But I use this one like 1 time per month. So, but this one, I use this one at least 1 time per week. Definitely this is my favorite. If you want to lift up your skin, if you want to take care of your elasticity, you have to keep using this kind of product, not only for this brand, not only for this product, but also your preference lifting product. So I will see you in 30 minutes. Mask pack and this neck mask has different time to use, so it's already dried. I'm gonna take it out. It's already dried. Personally, after using this one, I feel like okay, my neck wrinkles are a little bit smoother than before, but I'm not sure if the others can recognize this one, because I was used to have like a deeper wrinkles from my old skin troubles when I was 7 or 6 years old, when I was really young. I need about like 10 minutes more for this. Well, usually I put this one like for over an hour, because I usually use this one while I was working, during the night, during the daytime, when I was all alone. Of course, I don't use this one in the office with the co-workers because they're gonna freak out. It recommends to remain this mask gel for 20 to 30 minutes. So it's already 35 minutes after I put this one on my face. So I'm gonna take it off. And do you remember, we still have one more on my nose. It's dried. You cannot really recognize that thing, right? I almost forgot, honestly. Ta-da! I cared my nose skin with the collagen mask sheet, and then This mask gel. I feel like my skin got some tighter. Actually, when you put this one on your face, you feel so cool. You feel so like a cold. Your skin get cold a little bit in good way, I mean. If you're in really hot weather, high temperature, if you feel a little fever on your skin, that's gonna feel really good. That's one of the reasons I kind of like this one. Look at this. This one honestly stretched a lot more than this. It's kind of work. I already use it like for 30 minutes, but it's kind of work like this much as well. Like this. Isn't it interesting? I share the lifting skincare routine of myself, so I wish you enjoyed it. And I don't really say, oh, you should buy this product, this brand is amazing, but literally it's based on my personal experience, based on my personal purchase. You know, I don't have any commercial, I don't have any sponsor yet, so it's really my experience sharing content. So if you wonder anything about my routine of skincare or lifestyle, not only for me, for Koreans normally, please feel free to share what you want to know about Korea. I will see you in next episode. Bye!